Hello, and thank you for choosing Paul Sherry RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're going to be having a look at a new brand we just started carrying, the Vibe. It's made by Forest River. This one right here is a 315 BHK. This trailer only weighs 6,000 pounds, so it is towable by most of your half-ton pickups. Notice here in the front you have an electric tongue jack, both LP tanks. It says electric stabilizing jacks for the front and the back. Storage compartment up front that goes all the way through. Giant electric awning. Runs almost all the way down the coach. Notice there's an LED light strip there at the bottom. There's two different strips of light in that. There's a remote control that comes with it. You can change the colors, so you can have two different colors on there at once. So two outside speakers. Outside kitchen down here, sink, mini fridge. And then there's a gas grill on the back that swings out. Spare tire. City water and freshwater connections here. One slide on the coach that has the sofa and dinette on it. Again, everybody, this is a new brand we just started carrying at Vibe. It's manufactured by Forest River. This particular floor plan is a 315 BHK. It weighs 6,000 pounds. Look here inside. Up front, you have a queen size bed here with storage underneath. You have storage on both sides of it as well. Entertainment center here with the CD, DVD player combo. This area here is where you put the TV, and you can spin that around so you can watch the TV from in the bedroom or from in the living area. Sofa here that jackknifes down into a bed. There's also storage underneath that. Two-sided sink with a stainless steel looking appliances. Oven, 3 burners on top. Microwave. Refrigerator and freezer. Big U-shaped dinette here. This will drop down and make a bed as well. Cabinets here. There's the bathroom. Skylight above the shower. And back here is the bunkhouse. Got 2 bunks on this side. Cabinets. 3rd bunk up here. And then you've got a little dinette down here. And this will also drop down and make a bed if you like. Again, everybody, this is a new line we're carrying, Vibe, made by Forest River. I think we're going to sell a lot of these. This particular one is a 315 BHK. It weighs 6,000 pounds. Hey, Paul Sherry RVs, Piqua, Ohio. Come check us out.
Shopping for an RV can be very difficult. There's so many makes and models to choose from. And how do you ever know if you're going to get a good deal on what you're buying? My name is Mike Sherry and I'm with Paul Sherry RVs. Our goal is to make your RV buying experience as fun and painless as possible, and of course provide you with the best deal in the market. But don't take my word for it. Go online and read all of our reviews from happy customers of ours. Feel free to call, email, or chat into us with any questions you might have.